you do.
Hey friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and in today's video we are back in Finn's nursery to do a 3 and 4 month update because I completely missed the 3-month update with mom brain. So stay tuned to see more of this guy.
The moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
So I'm rocking my mom uniform today, hair in a messy bun, and my v-neck tee, just hanging out with Finn. This is how it normally is. So the last time we checked in on Mr. Finn, he was 2 months old, and that was back in May. So he turns 4 months old on July 4th, 2020, and it is crazy to think that he has almost been out in the world half as long as he was in my stomach. Pregnancy felt like forever, and these 4 months just flew. So I've been sharing a lot of updates on my Instagram. Also, you guys have seen him in some videos, and I've gotten a ton of comments about Finn, so I wanted to check back in and share with you guys kind of what's going on with him because you've been here for the whole journey. So like I have done in all the other videos, we'll start with some initial stats. So Mr. Finn is officially in size 3 diapers now. He is about 28 inches long unofficially. He goes to the doctor on the 10th, so we'll get all those official measurements, but by my count, he's 28 inches long. And he's also about 20 pounds, which is crazy. He is growing, he is super long. He is also in 3 to 6 month clothes right now, so he's right in line with that. Some of the biggest milestones for him over the past couple months is one, he's really started laughing and talking a ton more, so we love that. He is very observant of the outside world and is always talking to people, talking to his toys, just really expressing himself, which is really fun to see. He's also been sleeping overnight in his crib for about 2 months now, and he is a sleeping rock star. I've said this before, but I am so thankful for how well he sleeps. I know this is not super common, but he goes to bed usually about 8:30 and wakes up during the week at about 6, so that has been a godsend for me being back at work, which I will talk about in a little bit. So sleeping is going great. The other two things is one, his neck control is so good now. He's super strong and can hold his head up, and also just a couple days ago he rolled from his back over to his stomach, so he is now loving it. Anytime he can get a hold of a hand, he's pulling himself over, and so all of these things are just blowing my mind because he is growing up super fast. Overall, his disposition has been very similar to what I said in the 2-month update, but he is just a happy kid. Usually when he's upset, we know that something's either hurting or he's hungry, or you know, he really needs something, because he's not a super fussy kid. He really likes to look around, take in the world, and he gets kind of mad if you take away a toy that he was really loving. So he's really been kind of showing us what he does and doesn't want, and so that's been interesting to see kind of as he transitions from a newborn to an infant. As far as feeding, he is still a rock star nurser. He's still exclusively on breast milk. He's gotten a lot more bottles as of the past month because I've been back at work, and so both my mom and my mother-in-law have been here watching him during the day. That has literally been the most amazing thing. It's nice because I can nurse him throughout the day on breaks that I have with work, or see him on lunch, which has been a huge blessing, which I'm thankful for. Going back to work has been a little easier than I anticipated because, like I said, we are at home, so childcare comes to us, which is really nice, and really getting back into the swing of things. My team at work has been great. They understand, you know, I'm still getting the hang of being a working mom, which has been super helpful, but overall that has been super awesome going back to work, especially given the situation. I've been kind of able to ease into it. Okay, so I had to take a quick break, outfit change, as you could tell, for a little bit of spit up. He has also just recently discovered the little jumpy seat jumper. I don't know what the official term of it for is, but he loves the lights and being able to bounce up and down and be able to stand. He is using his abdominal muscles a ton more to really pull himself up. This is how he likes to sit. If you lean him back like a baby, he's doing like trying to get himself back up. So he's really loving being upright, and he is starting to just be super busy and on the move. That is our 3 and 4 month update for Mr. Finn. I hope you guys enjoyed the kind of peek behind the curtain to see what's been going on here at our house with him. He is growing like a weed. So many of you have picked up on that, or so many of you are shocked that you can't believe that he, you know, it's been 4 months already. You're telling me. My little buddy has gotten so big. We're having such a fun time with him. He's literally such a blessing, and I can't wait to share more with you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe down below and follow me over on Instagram so you don't miss all the Finn updates. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye. Bye. Are we on the camera? Can you see in the screen? Are we having fun? Oh, thanks, Sebastian.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.